I'm the CEO of a company called Trakblaze. We're involved in the weighing and balancing of heavy vehicles. We do that while they're actually moving. We're very focused on being green, saving the environment, saving lives. And our products do it in the way, if you use a train, for example, a 300 mineral freight train can have 3 or 4 or 5 or a dozen wagons with their wheels locked up because they're unbalanced and they're not functioning right. That will incur resistance, and that will incur a lot more diesel from that locomotive, a lot more emissions in the atmosphere. If that train is balanced evenly over our scales and everything's running correctly, it's less pull, less fuel, less emissions, and we're being much more greener. The main sectors we're looking at are railways, mining industry, highways industry, and aviation industries. Diversification is very important to an exporter, simply because you don't keep all your eggs in one basket in case that market falls over. The potential in India has got stronger and stronger over the years now.
India is a country which is growing at a super fast speed. There is tremendous opportunity over here in India, and Indian consumers as well as Indian companies are looking for innovative solutions which are reliable and dependable.
At the moment, we deal with Alstom, Bombardier, Adani, Hindustan Zinc, Siemens over there. The scope of business within those organisations is huge for us because they're continually developing their freight corridors and their network and upgrading all of their inline equipment. Anybody aligned with railways or a railway supplier of some sort in India or infrastructure would do very well over there.
Indian Railways has got very, very ambitious goals, especially with regards to freight travel and freight movement. They want to increase the share of the Indian rail freight travel to 45%, as we've been highly dependent on roadways and on the aviation sector.
The new trade agreement has been fantastic because it's reduced our export costs. When you reduce your export costs, it just increases your sales. And dealing with India and Australia, the relationship there, people just want Australian made. They want that stamp of Australian made product.
Australia and India are natural trading partners, and I think that this agreement will unlock the enormous potential which is there between both the countries. And if you have a solid team in place with the right partner, it can be an extremely beneficial partnership and an opportunity for companies who want to enter India. We see great potential of Trakblaze products in India. Our short-term and medium-term focus is to focus on the rail industry. However, Trakblaze has a strong product portfolio in the mining as well as in the civil aviation sector.
India is basically demanding Australian-made product. Across the board, any sort of infrastructure, no matter what business you're in, you have to explore that because they understand that Australia represents quality, honesty, trust.
For any Australian company looking to India, it's an extremely exciting opportunity. However, one needs to be very, very strategic in their thinking.
We realise the potential in India has got stronger and stronger over the years now. If you've got something that's in demand there, you persist, you use Austrade, you go to exhibitions, you use your local agent, you follow up yourself, you will do very, very well in India. But you have to persist. Austrade have been fantastic in the last 4 or 5 years. Austrade is the go-to place because they will first of all make sure that your product is in demand. They will identify markets for your products and potential agents for your products. They will assist you with trade shows over there as well.